Discover the standout smart kitchen tools of 2026, designed to transform your cooking experience. We compare performance, price-value balance, ease of use, and durability. Links are in the description and first comment. We'll explore these 5 must-have tools in order, starting with our first pick. Our first product is the electric salt and pepper grinder set. It's a sleek, automatic grinder, perfect for any modern kitchen. This set offers adjustable coarseness, allowing you to get the perfect grind every time for your culinary needs. The larger capacity means less frequent refills, saving you time during meal prep. Its built-in LED light ensures precision, even in dimly lit environments, enhancing your cooking experience. Ideal for those who love efficiency and style, this grinder set makes a thoughtful gift for any home cook. With a reasonable price point, it offers excellent value for its smart features and stylish design. Second on our list is the OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner, a versatile tool for washing and drying your greens. Featuring a large 6.22 quart capacity, it's perfect for families or salad enthusiasts who need to prep in bulk. The non-slip base provides stability, while the one-touch pump ensures easy, efficient spinning. This spinner doubles as a fruit and vegetable washer, making it a multifunctional kitchen essential. Its robust design is built to last, making it a reliable addition to your kitchen toolkit. For those seeking both convenience and quality, this salad spinner hits the mark with its performance and utility. Our third product is the KitchenAid Gourmet Multi-Sided Meat Tenderizer, a must-have for any meat lover. This tool is designed for versatility, allowing you to tenderize meats, nuts, and even shellfish with ease. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, while the hang hole offers easy storage solutions. Perfect for those who enjoy preparing meats at home, this tenderizer enhances your cooking results. The hand-wash-only design ensures longevity, maintaining its quality use after use. It's an affordable option that delivers professional-grade results, making it a worthy investment for home chefs. Fourth, we have the Texity Food Kitchen Scale with a nutritional calculator, a smart tool for health-conscious cooks. This scale integrates seamlessly with a free app, tracking 19 nutrients and offering calorie and macro calculations. With a stainless steel finish, it adds a modern touch to your kitchen while providing precise measurements. Ideal for those focused on weight loss or nutritional goals, its features offer valuable insights for meal planning. The app's user-friendly interface makes tracking simple and efficient, enhancing your cooking process. For anyone serious about nutrition, this kitchen scale is a game-changer that combines style and functionality. Lastly, we explore the Chicken Shredder Tool Twist, a handy gadget for effortless meat shredding. Its strong anti-slip strip and ergonomic handle make shredding meats like chicken, pork, or beef quick and easy. This BPA-free tool is perfect for home cooks who enjoy preparing shredded meats for various dishes. With the included brush and fork, it provides a complete, convenient meat shredding solution. This tool is not only affordable, but also simplifies meal prep, making it a must-have for busy kitchens. In closing, every product we've explored truly offers value without any filler items. These tools are worth every penny.